Yo it. Hello. How's everyone doing today? Hey, welcome back to another video. Thank you for coming back and watch my channel. Hey, today, well not today, because I've already uploaded like what, 5 videos already. Hey, make sure y'all go watch every single video I got uploaded. Okay, I'm going crazy today. Right now I'm gonna sorry about that. I didn't mean to drop y'all. Okay, stay tuned, just keep watching, all right, just wait team, I got something to tell y'all. I want to tell y'all about how I've tried to be a YouTuber before. I've tried this YouTube thing before. Okay, this thing is not new to me. I've tried it back in 2019. I was in the army then. That's when when I got into the army 2018, my plan was to start, making videos. I was out of the city. I was out of Leland. I was traveling the world, going to different states. I was in the army. I should have been made content, but you know what? I used to wait. Give me 1 second. I used to be so hard on myself. I used to tell myself, man, you can't do it. Man, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're talking about. These people ain't gonna watch you. Nobody ain't gonna watch your content. Hey, David, you're out of your mind. You don't know what's going on. Well, now I am very hungry. I am very back, and I am here to claim what's mine. Because I know this is what I've always wanted to do. Be a content creator. And now I have the opportunity to do it. You know what I'm saying? I have a lot of support on the media. I have a lot of support around me in the real world. Okay, all these people around me who each and every day I see, I wake up and I thank them. There's a lot of people I want to give thanks to, but when the time is right, your name will be mentioned. But yeah, I've tried this YouTube thing before, so I just want to tell y'all, people who wants to be a creator, who wants to be a content creator, but there's no way to start. You're not gonna figure out how to start. Just do it. See, look, I'm recording, bro, and then I got an iPhone 12. I don't even got a 15, bro. There's iPhone 15s out right now. I don't even got it, bro. I'm sticking to my little thing until y'all keep supporting the kid, and we're gonna move up in the world. That's the goal, is to keep moving up, keep elevating, keep teaching everybody about the culture. My main message to the world, number one, is none of this is possible without God. So number one, thank God. All right? God is the reason I am here. God is the reason I am talking to you. God is the reason this video is on your live right now. God is the reason this video is on your feed. God is the reason why everything is happening. So I'm leaving up everything to him. He's gonna take me places I already know, because he's been taking me places that I've never imagined. I'm just a kid from a little island who used to walk around the island, and I'm gonna show y'all the island when the time is right. I'm gonna show y'all there, you know what I'm saying? So I've always wanted to be a content creator, for those who are hating on me or for those who are loving on me, showing the love and showing the support. I thank you guys so much for the main people who keep showing the love. Thank you guys. Hey, I'm gonna make more better content for y'all. I got a camera. By the way. I haven't been using, but I should start using it. I just don't have a laptop or any of that things to really get into my groove. But when the time is right, the time is right. But right now we're gonna keep using this iPhone. We're gonna keep creating these little foo content. But this is how people start, man. So I wanted to come on here and let y'all know that, hey man, if you want to be a content creator, go ahead, bro. If you got a phone, and I know you got a phone, that's why you're watching me, because you got a phone, right? You right there, you watching, you got a phone. Oh, don't look at my finger. I got my stitches out, chat. Y'all see? I got the stitches out. But yeah, if you want to be a YouTuber, you want to be a TikToker, you want to be a Facebook content creator, hey, look, Facebook pays a lot of money. All right, I ain't making a lot, but I used to make $5 here and there. Now it's up to I'm getting near the 3-digit numbers. You know what I'm saying? So It's in there. When I say Facebook, I'm not saying Facebook gives you one check. Hear me out, chat. When I say you can make money on Facebook, I'm not saying Facebook gives you one check. There's multiple streams of income in Facebook alone. Like just Facebook alone, there's bonus pay. You understand what I'm saying? They pay you for bonus pay. Bonus pay really means when people really come to your page and they like, they comment, they share your stuff. So that's like, if you get reactions from people, you know, when people come to your page and they react, you getting bonus pay. And then boom, you got in-streams ads. That means you got ads that are being shown on your videos. So now you got to upload videos. So if you want to get bonus pay, the trick I do for bonus pay, I'll post pictures with really captivating, really engaging, really a post like a little status with the picture, or you can just make a status without a picture and make sure you know people are gonna, you know, react to it. People are gonna be like, oh, whoa, why? Or, oh, I like that. Or, oh, man, it don't matter. Who cares, right? None of that matters. At the end of the day, bro, somebody gonna look at your post and they'll like it or not like it. Tomorrow they're gonna have to wake up, deal with their own problems, deal with their own blessings. None of this matters. All right. So remember that when you become a content creator, none of this really actually matters. This video right here you're watching, bro, it ain't gonna matter after I upload it. After I watch it a few times, because I watch my own stuff. I'm a little obsessed with myself. I'll be watching my own videos sometimes. All right, so what was I talking about? Bonus pay. So that's bonus pay. Bonus pay, you upload pictures, status, make sure you get people to engage in your content. In-streams ads is on Facebook also has, where you upload videos and then Facebook automatically throws in a little ad on there, whether it's before, during, after your video. Facebook gonna put an ad on there, and then boom, you're getting paid for ads. That's 2 streams of income in Facebook alone. And then boom, the 3rd stream of income inside Facebook, you got reels ads. So when, you know how you post reels, so there's posting videos and then there's posting reels. I don't know, y'all gotta be on Facebook to know all this. So reels, I didn't even know that. In stream reels, so when you when you create reels and I guess it's mini clips, I don't know what the difference between videos and I just know when I upload a video, I click video upload. When I want to make a reels, I just click create reels and I do that. And then when you make reels, Facebook also put ads on there and you get paid for that too. There's 3 different type of ways to get money from there. And then the 4th way you can do it is subscription. People can subscribe to you and they can pay whatever price that you set it to be. Mine is at, I think it's 99 cents. Only 99 cents. You can subscribe to me on Facebook. If you already follow me on Facebook and you came from Facebook and you were watching from Facebook, you came here from Facebook, thank you so much. Hey, I love you. You're the best. You're the best. Because I've been posting a lot about these videos on Facebook. That's how I've been getting people to come on here to watch my videos. They come in from Facebook. So I'm showing y'all how to do it. And y'all just not listening. Y'all just watching and you're not listening. If you listen to what I say and you apply what I'm saying, and now if you work with me, like I'm saying, when I mean by work with me, this is what I'm saying too. When I say work with me, I'm saying go to my page and let me know and be like, hey, I want to be a content creator also. And then all you have to do is engage. Is really like my stuff, share my stuff, and I'll come to your page and I'll like your stuff, I'll share your stuff, and then boom, we all win. All we want to do at the end of the day, people, is win and provide for our family. And I'm telling y'all, the easiest way we can do it is this. Oh, and TikTok, I can show you how to make money on TikTok. I got companies who, you know, they be emailing me, they be texting me on WhatsApp. So you don't know, if you want to be a content creator on TikTok, WhatsApp is probably one of the apps that you would need to download if you want to promote products on there. So what I mean by promoting products on TikTok, I mean you go to different stores, I'm speaking Marshallese now. Ilo means there. But anyways, when you go shop at the TikTok shop, you can request free samples, bro. You can literally request stuff for free. I don't care if it's $5, you can request it for free and they'll send it to you. All you have to do is make a video. You can request something that costs $500, $200. bro, if you have enough people that's buying stuff from you, from your promotions, these companies will look at you and be like, man, he's making videos and people are buying stuff or whatever, blase. Bro, you request some free samples. Like, I got shirts, like this shirt right here, free sample. Do you understand what I'm saying? Faith over fear. This is the promotional product right here, my shirt. You know what I'm saying? I'm smart, bro. You gotta be smart. They can send you hoodies. They send you a bunch of stuff on TikTok. You can make money that way by promoting products and getting commission. Or you can go on live. You can go live on TikTok, build you a crew, build you a team, build you a strong community where they'll come and support you each and every day like my team does. My team are strong and they go hard for me. Do you understand? My team go hard. Team Majo, Team Meguro, Team Marshall Island. Here we go, on the way to the top. God is good all the time. Yes, Lord. So yeah, I'm just trying to show y'all how to make money. I'm trying to show y'all how I'm gonna make money in the future. It's through content creating. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hannah is here, so I'm gonna have to end the video. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I like y'all. I love y'all. Thank you very much. I love you. Bye bye.